Hello guys, once again welcome back to hashtag unboxing. In this video, today we are going to unbox Dell Latitude 3420. Its specification is Core i7, 8GB RAM, 1TB hard drive, 256GB SSD hard drive, and NVIDIA MX 452GB graphics card. It has a fingerprint reader on its power button. Dell Latitude is a line of business-oriented laptops manufactured and sold by Dell Technologies, aimed at corporates, enterprises, healthcare, government, and educational markets. The Latitude directly competes with ThinkPad series from IBM or Lenovo and EliteBook series from HP. It has a 14-inch HD display with narrow border frame. In its left side comes a power in jack and a HDMI 1.4 port and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port with power share and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port with DisplayPort ALT mode. In its right side comes a USB 3.0 card reader slot, a audio jack, a USB 2.0 port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, a RJ45 with status LED. Its air ventilator comes in its rear side. Let us check about the product in its official website. Configuration will not be same as showing in its official website. It may differ according to your region. Major features that company claims are Express Connect. Experience seamless Wi-Fi. Express Connect automatically joins strongest access point in the office and prioritize bandwidth for conferencing applications wherever you work. Another major feature is Express Response. With Intel adaptive technology, prioritize your most important apps so they open fast and perform better. And another one is Express Charge. Dell optimizes reaction runtime and improve battery performance by adapting to your pattern and charging up to 80% in an hour. Another one is Intelligent Audio. Collaborate like you are in the same room. Intelligent Audio enhances your audio quality and reduces background noises, so you can hear and be heard, creating a better conference experience for all. To know more about this product, you can visit their official website. Its link I have been given in description of this video. In its downside comes wide and large holes to suck air from downside for instant cooling. Its speakers are coming on its front downside. We are going to open its back cover. Let us check what updates are possible. This device comes with a ULB processor. The cooling solution looks very nice. There are two thin heat pipes which leads to a rather long heat spreader. And the heat is blown away with the help of a pretty large fan. This cooling system has a duty to cool its processor and its GPU. There are two RAM slots comes on its motherboard. This device will support up to 64 GB of RAM. You have to insert a 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM. It is a 3-cell battery and its capacity is 41 watt-hour. From factory comes a 5200 RPM 1 TB HDD hard drive and 256 GB NVMe SSD hard drive. Here I am going to add 8 GB additional RAM. I prefer Samsung because it is the best in RAM and storage technology. I am already finished the program installation. Let's check how fast the computer is. Let us check the properties of this computer. It is a 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor. Let us check the properties of the processor in Intel official website. The processor number is 1165G7. This processor have 12 megabytes of smart cache and its processor speed up to 4.7 GHz. It is a 4-core processor and it have total 8 threads. Its bus speed is 4 GTS and its base processor speed is 2.8 GHz. Let us check the properties of the GPU. I do expect this video is going to be a useful one for you. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.